Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we will be reading the book Finding Value in My Next Place. This story touches on the third grade standard under Number and Operations in Base 10, which is specifically 3 NBT 1, and the description is use place value understanding to round whole numbers to the nearest 10 or 100. Hope you enjoy. Finding Value in My Next Place by Brittany, Samantha, and Micah. Take a look, it is all in the book. Greater than me or less than me is what you will see. I wonder which house will be my new place. I have been looking for a nice new space. Will I round up or will I round down? I am really liking this part of town. Welcome to 10 City, the city for all the tens. Let's find the perfect place for all of our new number friends. How do we know which place to go? Asked 7, 23, and 44. I hope we all fit through our new front door. In this city, the houses look pretty, but to find the perfect place, we must round by looking at a certain space. That space is the ones place. Just take a look. You will see that a lot within this book. Rounding to the nearest 10, up or down, you will move then. Which house is theirs? Who knows? Maybe it will have stairs. Where should number 7 go? How do I know? If you are less than me, then the 0 house it will be. If you are greater than me, then the 10 house you'll see. 7 is our number here. Take a look and have no fear. Ask yourself, is 7 less than or greater than 5? This is how we keep it alive. Which house should 7 go? Flip the page and you shall know. That is right. This is where number 7 can say goodnight. I was greater than 5, so I can round to 10. I am excited to move. Just tell me when. What about number 23? Which house is the right place for me? If you are less than me, then head to 20. If you are greater than me, then head for 30. Is 23 less than or greater than 25? We need to know in order to strive. Which house is the perfect house for 23? Ask yourself, then flip to see. Yippee! The 20 house is a good place for me. Correct, the 20 house is where I will connect. What about 44? Which house will give me so much more? Is 44 less than or greater than me? Which house do you think it will be? Remember to round up or round down. This will help to find 44's new place in town. 40 feels like a cozy place for me. I can't wait to go inside and see. Right, I can't wait to see it at night. 44 less than 45 for sure. The 40 house will keep me secure. I am pretty sure it is my turn in line. What about the number 79? Are you less than or greater than me? I wonder which house it will be. Yes, I wouldn't ask for any less. 79 is greater, I know. The 80 house is the place to go. I can't wait to move into house number 80. That tree will keep it nice and shady. Together is where we want to be. We will even share the same house key. We've never even been apart. We will probably hang up lots of art. For that to work, number 86, you cannot pull any tricks. You must be greater than me to move up to house 90. 91, do you have what it takes to turn 90 into your perfect place? We did it! Our numbers were right. Together we will be in our new place tonight. Yay! This is such a happy day. 86 rounds up, 91 rounds down. House 90 it is, without a frown. Is this number greater than or less than the fabulous 5? If you know, you will definitely thrive. From here on out and without a doubt, take a look and think of this book. It is all up to you when finding value, to think and to know just which way to go. In 10 City all the houses are pretty. To find the right one can be loads of fun. Each number has a place. Just look in the right space. The end. Thanks for listening, guys. Hope you enjoyed.